The developments in West Bengal that have now come to light after a gruesome incident that surfaced from the city of Kolkata. In an overnight breakthrough in the alleged sexual assault and murder of a woman postgraduate trainee doctor in Kolkata, police have now arrested the main accused, Sanjay Roy, and he has been sent for 14 days of custody. The find was made using a piece of crucial evidence, a Bluetooth headphone that he had left behind at the crime scene. Semi-nude body of a woman postgraduate trainee doctor was found inside the seminar hall of the government-run RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata on Friday morning, resulting in hue and cry, in fact, erupting in the city after this particular case came to light. The deceased, a second-year student of the chest medicine department, was on duty when she was allegedly raped and killed inside the hospital. Soon after the incident was reported by hospital authorities, Kolkata police arrived at the scene to investigate the matter. Cops started scanning the CCTV cameras installed in the hospital, and based on these footages, they compiled a list of potential suspects. Sanjay Roy, who appeared in the CCTV footage, in fact, was seen wandering suspiciously near the seminar hall where the murder occurred, and was also seen leaving the hospital in the early hours of Friday morning. Police, in fact, had summoned all the suspects to the hospital for further questioning. During the interrogation that took place, officers seized the mobile phones of all the suspects. It was after the questioning that one of the officials attempted to pair the seized Bluetooth headphone with every suspect's mobile phone, and to everyone's shock, Sanjay Roy's phone automatically connected to the device, prompting his immediate arrest. Meanwhile, sources have also said that Sanjay Roy is a civic police volunteer by profession who was deputed to assist lower-ranked police officers who were admitted to the hospitals. The incident has left the nation shaken and has sparked a massive outrage amongst the medical fraternity, not just restricting to Kolkata but also the rest of Bengal, and in fact at this point even the country, with scores of junior doctors at various hospitals in West Bengal holding protest sit-ins and taking out processions, demanding exemplary punishment for those involved in the case. Meanwhile, TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has also said that the accused should be hanged. Politics has erupted over the matter, with the BJP calling out and slamming the TMC government for lack of law and order in the state. This is the conversation that's now been all over with regards to this gruesome, brutal incident that's taken place in Kolkata. With that, let's take a look at some of the responses that so far come into the story.
ये बहुत ही दुखद है और संवेदनशील मामला है। इसमें फार्मा डॉक्टर्स एसोसिएशन की 3 मांगे हैं। सबसे पहली मांग ये है कि इस पूरे जो मामला है, जो वाकया है, उसकी एक CBI इंक्वायरी हो। ये जो डॉक्टर थी वो वहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी, चेस्ट मेडिसिन विभाग में थी, ऑन ड्यूटी थी उस समय जिस समय उनके साथ ये दुखद घटना घटी है। और एक ड्यूटी डॉक्टर के साथ ऐसा होना ये पहली बार हमने सुना है, और इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अस्पताल प्रशासन की लैप्सेस हैं जिसके वजह से ऐसा हुआ है। और हमें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पर इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है, क्योंकि जो इंटरनल खबरें आई हैं उनमें ये बातें आ रही हैं कि वो उन्हीं के पार्टी के कुछ एसोसिएटेड लोग हैं जो अक्यूज्ड हैं। तो इसलिए सबसे पहला डिमांड है कि CBI इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। दूसरी डिमांड ये है कि जो मृतक के माता पिता हैं, उनके परिवार हैं, उनको बतौर कंपनसेशन 1 करोड़ रुपए देने चाहिए। ये ऑन ड्यूटी सर्विस डॉक्टर्स जो कि गवर्नमेंट सर्विस प्रदान कर रहा था, उसके साथ ये दुखद घटना हुई है। और ऐसे में चाहे कोविड का समय हो तब दिल्ली सरकार ने भी दिया था, और ऐसे में एक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का, खास करके ऐसा स्टेट जहाँ पे एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उनके कुछ दायित्व होती हैं, और उस दायित्व को, उस चेतना को हम जगाना चाहते हैं। और हमारा ये मांग है कि उनको तुरंत 1 करोड़ रुपए का अनुदान सरकार की तरफ से मिलना चाहिए।
जब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे RG कर मेडिकल कॉलेज के, तब कुछ लोगों ने देखा बाहर के लोग आए हैं, वो लोग का प्रोटेस्ट किए कि बाहर के लोग क्यों आएंगे यहाँ पे, वो स्टूडेंट नहीं थे। तो उनके साथ उन लोग का झगड़ा हुआ, उन लोग के साथ उनका धक्का धक्की होना शुरू हुआ। तब जाके पुलिस देखा कि पुलिस इंटरवीन किया उसमें। पुलिस इंटरवीन करने के साथ में ही जो बाहर से लोग आए थे वो लोग पुलिस के ऊपर मारपीट करने लगे, पुलिस के ऊपर चप्पल फेंका। तो उस टाइम पे पुलिस ने रिस्ट्रेंट होके, खूब मतलब फोर्स का यूज नहीं किया, पुलिस ने रिस्ट्रेंट होके इस चीज को संभाला। और उस बीच में पुलिस के एक दो लोग को धक्का मुक्की किया, उसमें उन लोगों को इंजरी भी हुआ पुलिस के लोग को। लेकिन फिर भी पुलिस ने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप पीसफुली यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट करना है, आप चले जाइए यहाँ पे। लेकिन इसको लेके स्टूडेंट्स जो था वो एकदम इस चीज को मतलब प्रोटेस्ट को, बाहर से जो लोग आ रहा है उसको मानने को तैयार नहीं था कि बाहर के लोग आके यहाँ पे कुछ झमेला करना चाहते हैं, प्रोवोक करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए वो लोग उसका प्रोटेस्ट किए। उसी चीज में पुलिस ने इंटरवीन किया इसमें।
With that, now let's cut across to our colleague Raktim Ghosh, who's in fact bringing us all the latest from Kolkata. What exactly is going on? Where has the investigation reached so far? Raktim, a very good morning to you. Quite a few pertinent questions that have been raised at this given juncture with regards to this case. Very firstly, I would like you to help us understand more about this culprit that has been arrested, Sanjay Roy, and also help us understand at this given point, does this seem to be a crime that's been committed by one man, or are we looking at more people who are involved in this given crime, in this brutal crime that's taken place?
See, one thing is that big update on the RG Kaur cases, that according to police sources, according to police sources, the accused confessed his guilt. He was practically devastated by the constant questioning, and it's known that he has finally accepted all the faults, the Sanjay Roy. During this interrogation, he told the investigating officers that hang me. But apart of Sanjay Roy, a lot of doctors, eminent doctors of the Kolkata, told us to the TV in Bangla that not only Sanjay Roy, there will be the more than one people will be involved in these cases. And then according to the sources, who is Sanjay Roy? Initially we got the news that he's a civic volunteer, but according to sources, there was a lot of explosive information comes around about the Sanjay Roy. According to sources, the accused got a job as a civic volunteer in 2019. He was so influential. He was that influential. He moved to the welfare committee without working a single day in a civic volunteer duty. But not only this is alleged. Sometimes he used to harass a woman of the police forces by calling them. There's a lot of big allegations against Sanjay Roy, but the eminent doctors of the Kolkata and the forensic expert of the Kolkata, eminent forensic expert of the Kolkata told us that they suspected that not only the Sanjay Roy will be involved, not only Sanjay Roy. There's more than one is involved in these cases, and the thing is that. When this kind of RG Kaur cases is come around, the political leaders had also raised their voice. Yesterday, Abhishek Banerjee, the MP of Trinamool Congress, he attended the meeting of the administrative meeting, and after that, he raised his voice. He told that. He told that a strict law should be brought in the legislature, but when the murders and rapes should be met and killed within the 7 days. In no certain and he raised the question: why run the trial for the years? And these kind of voices come from not only from the TMC, from the CPIM, from the opposition BJP, and from the opposition Congress also raised their voice. And this kind of thing has happened that Sanjay Roy is right now arrested. But it's a Sanjay Roy. A lot of people, opposition leaders raise their voice. Only Sanjay Roy arrest is a highest or more than people.
Right.
Who are involved? They are the powerful people who are getting involved in these cases. This kind of questions is raised in this RG Kaur issue.
Right, several questions being raised here. Raktim, one small question I'll come back to you with, and post that we will in fact have to be moving on, is that given that Sanjay Roy had quite, doesn't seem like he seems to have a very clean history. There are other cases that you were saying that he used to call other women up in the department to talk to them. Has there been any complaint in the past against this particular man?
Yeah, a lot of complaint against him because he a lot of complaints against him, and at that time he has before 3 months he accused that entering the hospital after drinking alcohol at the midnight.
Okay.
And that day also the police sources told that. The lady at the midnight when he and his colleague watched, the lady doctor watched after his duty the Neeraj Chopra's game, and then she fell asleep in the seminar hall, and
Right.
that time accused entering the hospital after drinking the alcohol in the midnight, and he did these things after that. So this is not only the first time. This has happened, and from the Archikot sources, from the police sources, this happened before the 3 months. 3 months before he did this kind of things, and he entered in the hospital with drinking alcohol.
So he seems to be a repeat offender at this point, is what we are learning. Raktim, thank you for bringing us all those details about this particular case. We are keeping a track of consistently as to how the probe is going forward, whether there are more than one culprits involved, which in fact, as we just heard Raktim, is quite a big possibility. And in fact, if they have higher connections, these culprits who are coming to the light at this particular point, these are all questions we are all waiting to be answered at this given hour. But that's all